What's up, guys? So I just wanted to do a review on the markets and kind of what happened going into today. So looking at, let's start with the NASDAQ because that's what we've been trading most heavily. So looking at this, you can see um, we go back here. Yesterday, we got short right in this area here. So when the market opened for the evening session after 6 p.m., we went short the NASDAQ and was looking for a push down. This was our target, this low right here. And then I was gonna see if we could flush down into this level here. Now, I wasn't gonna hold for that entire move. I was gonna trail my stops, and so we can run through that. So we had 15-minute sell signals, 30-minute sell signals, and then if we drop down to, so we got short, right? And then from there, I trailed my position based on the 2-minute. And so if we went back over here, this is where we got short. Few people that have the indicator package also got short. They were telling me in the chat. And I got short right around this level here, 19 to 25-ish. And we had this nice flush and continuation down. And then we kept rejecting the trailing stop, rejecting the trailing stop, and then we finally broke above. And I took profit on my position, which ended up being about 75 points, 70 points or so. And so that was a really nice move to the downside that happened between basically the open at 5 until what is that, 8. So not too long of a play. I could be doing my math completely wrong on that, but it was not a long trade. And then we ended up continuing to flush a little bit further, but I was not in for this move. And then we came into today and had this move up. And then essentially what I was looking for was I got notifications on, or well, okay, so last night when I posted this, I was saying I'm expecting the NASDAQ to flush down into, let's see, flush down into 18,963, which was this level right here. And I was looking for us to break that level going into the like going in sometime this week, right? That was my ultimate level that I thought the market was going to head to. Not necessarily right in this moment of time we were just going to dump there, but I was looking for that to be the next place that the market goes rather than up. And so that was that. And so we got out of this, went to bed, and then woke up in the morning. And I do this morning brief for my chat uh every morning. And so here's what we had put on that morning brief. So you can see here, we kind of go through and I give a breakdown. Okay, what's happening in the markets, what ES and NQ look like, and what we're seeing, and then also what we're seeing in IWM. And then we're going over the sectors and breaking down the strongest and the weakest. We do this every morning. And then I give you a few stock picks. So one of them was NVIDIA. We had sell signals all day yesterday based on the indicator that a lot of members have. And so here's our sell signals. We got those throughout the day yesterday. They were, and I'll go in and show you on the TradingView platform. And this was the main setup I was watching into today. So if we look and you can see, if we go to the 30-minute, you can see we had sell signals pretty much all day yesterday. Okay. And then we were also getting 15-minute sell signals as well. And then that eventually led to this flush from around 113. And we hit a low of day today at 102. So almost a 10% move in this stock. And so that was a huge play that I didn't take personally, but had put it in the watch list. And I actually decided to play the NASDAQ instead. So if we go to QQQ, this was the trade we took into today. So basically what I was looking for was a flush, and we got that. So if we highlight this here, you can see that that candle there, we had a sell signal on that candle, okay? And then if we go to the 15-minute, you can see we also had sell signals on the 15-minute. So, and we broke the trailing stop. So we had break of the trailing stop. You could see it was support here previously, and then we broke it. And then the 30-minute, we had a sell signal as well. So I signaled to the chat, hey, this is going to be pretty risky. I'm going to go lighter than normal because we do have FOMC tomorrow, and I'm willing to hold through that to see this play through. But I do want to have some risk on for this trade. And so we went short, and we were able to catch 70% return on Friday expiration, and we played it through SQQ. So we played calls in this here, entered in around this candle here, and I was basically looking for a push into this level here. And when it comes to managing the position, what we did was, if I highlight where we got in, right, and then I drop down into the 1 minute time frame, there was really no reason to sell. You can see here's where we got in, and then look at the trailing stop. So you can see the trailing stop here. We ended up breaking it here. Now I was tracking on NQ, sorry. So this is where I was watching it. So I was managing the position off of NQ, and we continued and dropped and dropped and dropped and dropped and dropped. And luckily I didn't see that on QQQ because it did break there, but I was managing it on NQ. So once we finally broke the trailing stop here, we were able to get out of the position and take profit. So that was the move that we ended up catching. We got in right around this area here, and then ultimately flushed down in here. I played options on this through SQQQ, and we caught 70% return for Friday's expiration. I didn't hold anything through this. I took profit once we broke the trailing stop, and it ended up being a really nice trade, nice day trade, and catching a trending day. So that's the recap on the trades that we took this in the past couple days. The first one was this short in NQ for about 70, 75 points. And then the next one, we shorted the QQQ through SQQQ. Might be too many Qs in there. But and then we just trailed the position because it was a trending day. We trailed it based on the trailing stop. So turned out to be a really great trading day. I'm going to chill until after FOMC, after we get through some news. We got big earnings ahead this week. We've had some really nice trades so far this week, but now I'm just going to be patient and wait for the next setup. But all right, guys, hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in the indicator package, which is these buy and sell signals here, you can find these. I'll put them in the link to script in the description below. Give this video a like so we can reach more people. I appreciate the support, and hope to trade with you soon.